going on, everybody? Today we're starting out at Chick-fil-A actually. Just gonna get some lunch. I think I'm gonna film just like a casual vlog, kind of like what I used to do. I haven't filmed a video like this in a while. So I'm just gonna kind of take you guys along with me for the day. I don't know what we're gonna do, but we'll figure something out. At the end of this video, I might throw in an install. I might not. If it's a short video, I might use some footage from Cars and Coffee. Or maybe I already used that. I don't know. You'll see. Thank you. You too. Ooh, that looks even worse on camera. We're back to my apartment. We're gonna go in there and probably edit, maybe play a game of NHL or something. And then after that, I'm thinking I'm gonna go wash my car. I'm gonna put gas in it. And then maybe we'll order a few car parts or something. We'll see. Alright, I'm back home. I don't know if anybody else does this, but a lot of the times whenever I get fast food or something like that, I will get a paper plate or something and put all my food out on there. And it's just way easier to eat. So that's what I'm about to do. Then we'll head to my room, probably watch some YouTube and start editing. What is this? What is this? It's always so hard opening doors when your hands are full. But like most other people, I refuse to take 2 trips. I'm just gonna hop on my computer, watch some YouTube for a little while. On days when I'm not working, this is typically what I do. For those of you that don't know, I don't know if I told you guys, but I valet right now. So that's kind of my job that pays the bills and will get me some money for mods and stuff. So I'm off today, and tomorrow I'm going to the Blues parade because they won the Stanley Cup. For those of you that haven't figured it out by now, I am a huge Blues fan. So I'm fairly excited that they won the Stanley Cup, you can imagine. That being said, I do have a long drive tonight. Well, not that long, but at 7, my girlfriend's off work. I'm picking her up from work and we're driving 5 hours back to St. Louis. We're going to the parade, then we're driving back tomorrow night. So it's gonna be a lot of driving, but it'll be worth it, in my opinion, I think, because I'm a huge Blues fan and they've never won the title in their history, and they were in dead last in January and they won. So it's absolutely insane. For those of you that don't know the story, go ahead and look it up. It's a cool story, and I'm very, very happy to be a Blues fan right now. All right, I just finished eating and watching some YouTube. I'm gonna play some NHL now because I'm on a big hockey kick, obviously, after the Blues winning. So I'm gonna play some NHL and then we're gonna head outside. I might install the reverse lights right now, or like the backup lights from Diode Dynamics. I got some LEDs. But I want to do like a before and after, but at the same time, everybody that has an 11 to 12 can look up pictures of before or other videos, but then again, that defeats the purpose of mine. So I don't know what I'm going to do. I really want to install them. I've had them sitting around forever and I have time today, but I want it to be dark so I can have footage of how they look before and after. So we'll see. I might do that. Definitely going to wash the car, gotta get gas, and that should be it. So I will update you guys after I play NHL. Quick update, I'm all ready for St. Louis. I just finished up with some Forza. I played some NHL as well. Played the Bruins on the NHL, beat them 8-0. I mean, and it was on Pro too. It's not like an easy setting. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack up a few more things, then I'm gonna head out to the car. All right, we got the essentials. So about to head out. Got a few more things to do before I can head out of town. So we're gonna go do those real quick. I'm gonna stop by the front of the complex, take all the trash out of my car, and then after that, we're gonna go get a car wash. I'm about to start the car and I feel kind of bad because there's people at the pool right behind me, so. Alright, we made it to the car wash. I don't know where I'm gonna set you guys, but I don't know. It's one of those like self-wash places because I don't really have my stuff with me to wash my own car, so don't hate on me. It's the best I can do with where I'm at. I can always correct the paint, so yeah. We are gonna take my shoe, prop you up. There we go. That'll work, right? I normally film while doing stuff like this, but I decided not to vacuum the car and just to go get gas. So I'm getting gas, running into Kroger, grab my snack. Gonna go eat that, feed my girlfriend's cat for her, and then get her McDonald's and go pick her up from work. Alright everybody, I know that was a little bit of a shorter video, but I am going to put some cars and coffee footage at the end here. So go ahead and enjoy that. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one. So we're back in my apartment right now. This garage is up for rent. It's not mine, but we're in here to go ahead and show you guys before and after of the taillights. So I'm gonna have Gordon hold the camera while I put it in reverse, and I know I need to still change that, so. What? Oh, here you go.
When he comes in here, we're just gonna say that we were checking to see if the car would fit.
And then put off the brake. My trunk's a mess, but I'll go ahead and
whatever. Okay, it's not recording by the way. Okay,
it is, yeah.
So you take these two little things out.
That one fell out already, I think. Okay. Or is it still there? No, it's still there.
It's still. Mine are out, but you know, whatever. And then you just pull up on this, and then pull back on this. Mm-hmm. You're gonna disconnect this. So it's an 11 millimeter, everyone. Just so y'all know. Okay. 11 millimeter. One right there. I think there's three.
Yeah, there's one on the bottom, the very bottom.
Yeah, pull this down.
So, just so everybody knows, this is what we're putting in. They're the Diode Dynamics LED Reverse lights. I don't think it's focusing, but we'll try to get it to focus. Right. There we go. So it's the HP36 LED bulb, so it should be quite a bit brighter than the stock halogens, but we'll see. Alright, so according to Gordon, these are hard to get out. I've never done it, so he said you gotta take the ratchet and pound them out sometimes. Potentially, maybe. I think that's what he's doing now. So he's pulling up the trunk liner right now to get a little more leverage on it.
Oh God. My taillight's a nerve and it's hard to take out. Did I like miss a screw or something?
There should be three. Yeah, I have three. Or nuts.
Like I said,
just this side. There we go.
Okay.
Alright. So.
Now.
Once it's out, it's these two right here. So you just twist, pull out.
Josh can't even do it.
Alright, you know what? Hold the camera. Put the new one in.
Okay.
So I feel like I'm doing something.
Where are they?
So we're gonna go ahead. We will compare them. We'll keep one taillight with the stock ones and then one top. This is something easy enough that even I can do it, so.
That's pretty easy then.
Yeah. Well, maybe I can't. There we go. Yeah, so if it doesn't work, just flip it, and it should. And if it doesn't, then you're screwed. Yeah, so just twist them back in, and they'll lock in place. And
you're putting the taillight back in. You want to
Don't put it all the way back in, just
pull
in
this
case.
grommet. I'm not. Pull this grommet tight. And then plug it back in. Both of them work. Good lord, that is a noticeable difference. All right, put it back. How do you focus this? Do it.
I don't look at it. Jeez, that looks way better.
You can see how much.
Way more light output. It's kind of hard to tell on video, but I promise it's a lot more. God, the backup sensors. Alright, I turned them off.
Oh god.
So, I got lucky on that and I actually did something right. We're gonna go ahead and
Do the other side.
lock it back in there, and then we'll do the other side. Alright, they're both in. They're all working, so we're good. I'll give you a final look after they're all completely in. But I'm really happy with them. They're extremely bright.
This might like a final farewell.
Christian is taking the cats back to his girlfriend. Hi.
Shut Pubs.
Pubs. What's up? Oh.
Pubs has this weird thing. At night, his eyes glow like deep orange.
Yeah.
It's like they're.
Hey there. Hey buddy. Here it is all completed. Trunk's open right now, but we're gonna go ahead and close it. So, I mean, I know I have to replace that. Nobody get on me in the comments about that. I know I have to do that. So, they're super bright. They look really good. It's still light outside, so just give me an idea. That's with it being bright out still. And some natural light getting in the garage, but yeah, pretty easy to install. Basically, you just open the trunk, take the liner off, take the 3 bolts out, and pull, and you should be good to go. Remove the trim piece, or the remove the weather stripping if you need a little bit more leverage, and after that it's pretty simple. Just twist, pull the bulb out, replace it, and you're done. So Diode Dynamics LED reverse lights look great. Would 10 out of 10 recommend. I can't wait to see them at night. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I might include a clip at night of the lights, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.